Okay, so I know you guys remember the 32-inch TCL Roku TV unboxing and impressions video. And that video currently sits at 25,000 views and I published it 10 months ago. That's not bad at all, but sadly I wasn't able to actually make my review like I promised on that TV because it was broken by somebody. I'm not gonna say names. But to make up for that tragedy, I decided why not do something to make it up to my subscribers. So I got a surprise for y'all. Let me go get it. I mean, bigger is better, right? This is a 4K Smart TV from TCL and it's a Roku TV. It has HDR, UHD, which is basically a 4K resolution. 120 Hertz CMI, it's basically 60 Hertz, don't let that fool you. 3 HDMI ports, as well as this is an LED TV. Something that I am really sad to say though, I wish this TV would have had OLED and it would have gave you just better contrast ratios and just would have had deeper blacks and just overall it would have been a lot nicer. But I mean, for this price you can't really go wrong. It's a pretty good 4K TV. But without wasting any more time, let's actually open this thing up. Something that I really like about this TV, like I said, it does have HDR, which basically stands for high dynamic range, and basically it just helps improve the quality of the picture a lot more. Okay, how am I gonna open this though? Maybe I do need two people. Okay, I see a stand, some instructions, a remote, power cable, and some kind of little adapter that comes with it. Another stand, so those are two stands. And I think as far as accessories and everything goes, that's pretty much all of it. Oh my gosh, this TV is actually pretty thin. I'm probably gonna need some tools in order to attach these stands onto the bottom of it and mount onto the bottom of this TV, my bad, and mount it. So I think I'm gonna have to put this right here. It seems to be everything that comes in the box. There's just some more packaging, which like I said, I'm really glad to see in here because this is a 4K TV, y'all. You do not want this thing to be breaking in shipping or however it gets to you, so I'm really glad to see that. But first impressions on the TV, it's big, solid build quality. I do see that there is a little bit of plastic on the bottom rather than metal, but towards the top and the back panel feels like some sort of aluminum a little bit. I could be wrong, but that's just what it feels like to me. But now let's actually get the legs onto these bad boys. Wow, that like almost fits perfectly. I'm gonna go ahead and skip past all of this and I'm just gonna get to the TV setup and everything so y'all don't have to watch all this. Okay, so we finally have the TV booted up and everything. I'm on the home screen and guys, something that just immediately jumps out to me is the resolution. Yes, this is a 4K TV, obviously, but just the fact of coming from a 720p TV, the last TV that I did unbox. This is a huge jump. Like it's a very noticeable difference. Even from, if you're coming from a 1080p, you will most definitely notice the sharpness of this TV. Okay, so let's actually search up some 4K video. Oh, wow. Oh, it's so crispy. Like the hairs are so realistic. My mind is blown. And then like I said, this TV actually does have 60 Hertz, so the animation and the motion is just so realistic. My first impressions with owning or just having a 4K TV in the house, I'm impressed. I am going to test out a little bit of music with it as well, and as well as just the upscaling process, because I want to see how that sort of works, because the videos that I shoot in are in 1080p, so we're going to test that out, see how it looks, and if it makes it any sharper, the video. But after that, then we're gonna go ahead and test out the speakers. So let's get into this bad boy. Let's cut the music up just a little bit. Okay, so technically it's doing the upscaling right now just with the way that it's projecting the image, because natively if this was in 1080p it would sort of be shrunken down, but basically the upscaling part that the TV is doing is just stretching it out so that way it fits from frame to frame, because this is a 4K TV and this video isn't natively shot in 4K. But now let's actually test out the speakers on this bad boy. The box did say it has Dolby audio, not anything special. All TVs pretty much have that, but let's test out some music. I'm afraid to cut it up a little bit louder, and it was only on like 44% of its volume capacity, but that thing was pretty dang loud, I'm not gonna lie. Wow. Okay, we've watched native 4K content on YouTube. I was blown away. We have listened to the speakers on this TV. Not bad. And we've watched the upscaling process of this TV happen right in front of our eyes. Now, that pretty much is it. This is the TV. There's no more to it. Hold on. I'm forgetting the most important part. The price. This TV, at this current point in time, from Walmart.com, which is where we bought this, is scratch that, $320 for a 55-inch 4K HDR TV. That's a steal. I'm gonna end the video off on that because that alone should say it enough. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys had fun with me unboxing and just going over and reviewing this TCL 4 Series 55-inch 4K HDR Roku Smart TV. 60 hertz with 60 hertz. But either way, like I said, thank you guys for watching. I will talk to you guys in the next one. Stay tuned because the next video is right around the corner. Peace.